dialects, clothing and history, but also in respect to its art and music. The following performance is a fusion of Indian classical dance performed on a Bengali folk song. The song is written by the world-famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. The poet describes his experience of the joys of this world through the simple pleasures of life, dance, beats of the drums, blooming flower, a laugh, or even a door of tear. These all bring balance to our life. In simple words, this performance is a celebration of the life as we know it. So here we have the performer.
ऑन करना पड़ेगा साइड में ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई थोई ताता थोई रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है अभी रेड बटन आ रहा है ना শাড়িটা ভুল পড়েছে কি আনন্দ দিবারাত্রি নাচে ভক্তি নাচে বন্ধু
So, I would like to ask her, like, how many types of different Indian dance styles you know, dance, apart from Bengali dance,
Well, the folk dances, a lot of them, depending on how because you just go about learning.
Right.
Classical dances, I know 3.
Oh, awesome. So, alright, I was really fascinated by Bengali language, So, can you speak something for me, like,
Besides, I would work at Bhalabashna.
Yeah. I'll take that. But you can say it. Your hands. Can you say that? Alright. I don't know what she said, but I'm assuming she said that.
All the other people over here, don't tell them what I really said.
Alright. It was nice having you here. It was a great performance. Thanks a lot. Alright, now we have another dance performance. This is a